I've received several messages from people as regarding to how to get KYC on B network and Ruby network. So look at the two here. I'm going to be showing you what you need to do for you to get your KYC on B network and for you to get a KYC on Ruby. That is to get the KYC slot for you to now finally complete your KYC. So we'll first of all be talking about Ruby. Let's head over into my Ruby network right now and let me show you something. If you come over to this your settings button, look at these settings at the top right of your screen. If you come over to that section and you come up here, you can see KYC verification. My KYC is showing success. This is because I have successfully verified my KYC. Now, for you that you have not verified your own, you are going to see something in front of it here like complete KYC now, or it is going to be locked if you have not gotten a slot. So here is the thing. There was a time B Network was giving the KYC slot by slot. Later, they started doing it. I think every Monday morning, they pick some specific days in a week whereby they give people KYC for free. But as of now, so far so good, they've not given people KYC for a very long time now. So even when I did my own out of luck, and I've even been mining B for years now. I think I've been mining V for something around 5 or 4 years now. So that is it. Now, the only thing that you can do as of now, I dropped an information on my group. Let me show you that information if you're not on my Telegram channel. So this is the information. Now, this information says B KYC update. B what is B network migration soon. KYC update. If your KYC option is showing next round coming, just activate your wallet. Your KYC will open. So you need to activate your wallet. Once you activate your wallet, they will give you a KYC. I'm going to show you how to activate your wallet. But before that, let's scroll down to the bottom of my screen. I also dropped another update as regarding to this B network. There is something they will be doing very soon. And as at then, massive amount of KYC is going to be rolled out to people. So you can see B will release new app version within 2 weeks. So make sure to use the opportunity to complete your KYC. Now, for you to get your KYC slot, this is one of the things you need to do. You need to activate your wallet if you have not done so. For you to activate your wallet, you come over to this wallet section. Look at this button here, this wallet section here. You come over there, you tap on it. As you can see, the reason why this is displaying on my screen is because I have already activated my B wallet. That is why it is displaying like this. And activating your B wallet simply means create a wallet. After creating the wallet, back up your seed phrase. So I cannot show you the step by step here because I already have a wallet. Mine is imported already. But if you're tapping this place for the first time, you'll see something like create a wallet or activate wallet. Just click on it. Follow the prompts to create your wallet. It is just like signing up your wallet address on MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So once you do that, they'll give you a seed phrase and they'll tell you to back it up. There are two methods of backup. Either you back it manually to your phone's device, like that is copying down your seed phrase, or you store it on your Gmail. I use the two method. I first of all copied down my seed phrase. After copying down my seed phrase, I now also store it on my Gmail. And as you can see, my B is activated. So if you do this, your wallet is going to be activated. And if your wallet is activated, if your KYC, let me show you, if this your KYC section was formerly showing coming soon, it is now going to change to apply now. So you can now apply and submit your KYC. But in case you do that and it still does not work for you, what you basically have to do now is to now wait for the new app version to come out, update your app, and then we see. And of course, I'm still going to be monitoring it and I'll be providing you more details on that. All you basically have to do is to just subscribe to this channel to stay in touch for information. And if you want to get direct information, my Telegram channel, the link is going to be in the description box of this video. Tap on the link, join, and stay in touch. Now, that should be that about Ruby KYC, sorry, B Network KYC. Let me now show you for Ruby. Now, this is my Ruby app here. I'm going to open it. I think I have checked in to my Ruby for today. I'm not sure, but I think I have done that. So let's wait for my Ruby to open up. As regarding to Ruby, there are basically some things you need to do. Okay, in 1 hour time, I'm going to have to check in. Now, as regarding to Ruby, this is the KYC requirements. Let's head over to look at this my profile icon here. Let's head over there and then I go to this user verification. So once you come to this user verification, you select this first option that says eKYC. EKYC means electronic KYC. If you notice on my screen here, I am not verified. So tap on this not verified. You can see, welcome to Ruby KYC 1.5. We are a social project, blah, blah, blah. Once you tap on continue, you're going to see, look at complete KYC ownership over 30 days. Exploit at least 30 Ruby. Received invitation from KYC 1.5. So this is how Ruby is doing it. Ruby is giving KYC version by version. The first version should be KYC 1.0 or 1.1. Then they now moved over to KYC 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and the last one, which is now 1.5. So anytime they release a new version of KYC, they distribute it to users. And once they distribute the slot, completely, you will have to wait for the next round. For instance, the last KYC that was distributed was KYC 1.5. As of now, they are no longer giving people KYC. I think they gave that KYC about maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago now. That is where they stopped it. So right now, they are still currently developing KYC 1.6. This information is not something. Let me show you. It's if you're on their Telegram channel, that is the Telegram channel for there are Telegram channels for this Ruby for different countries. So the one I am currently in is the one that is for Nigerians. So you get that information there. They give their KYC version by version. So as of now, they are still currently developing KYC 1.6. But before you'll be able to get that KYC, you need to have met up with the requirements. The first requirement is to make sure that you have mined Ruby consistently for about 30 days. And then the second requirement is that you must have mined a minimum of 30 Ruby. Once you have that out of the way, definitely you get your KYC. For you to even complete the KYC, you need to purchase Ruby. Preferably, people are buying 4 Ruby, so you purchase Ruby for you to use it and complete your KYC. And just in case, if you need Ruby, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp. My contact is in my Telegram channel, so you pick it up on there. You message me if you want to buy Ruby, if you want to buy Sidra, or you want to even sell your Sidra coin, your Ruby coin, or any cryptocurrency coin at all. It's available. So let's head over. Where is this their group again? Let me search for. Let me search for Ruby. So you see the group here. There's Ruby. So you can see Ruby Nigeria. So this is their group. As you can see, look at one of the information that the member dropped. They say help yourself by reading the previous vital post here in this group. I'm still going to show you that post. They say KYC 1.5 has ended. The next phase is 1.6, which has not yet started. You can see it's not humans that needs to send invitation, even when KYC 1.6 starts. So invitation is sent by the computer algorithm. So that is to say that Ruby themselves are the one that is to send you KYC. You can see this person is an admin. It's an admin. So there is nothing specific as long as you've met up with those two requirements. There is nothing specifically that you are doing to get KYC. It is the computer that will send it to you. So 1.6 is going to come. They'll distribute KYC to people. And if some people will still not get KYC during that KYC 1.6, so they will have to now make a new version, which is 1.7, and give to people again. So that is how it works. They made a post here. I saw that post yesterday, but people's messages have covered it. I will have shown you. So you need to be in this group so you stay consistent with their information, and you can also join my Telegram channel. Information are going to be dropping there. Just in case, I also drop airdrop updates on my X, which was formerly Twitter. So search for Tony Tech on X. This profile you're seeing on your screen there. Follow me there. Stay in touch. So I'm not seeing the information I saw yesterday. I don't know where it is right now. But then they made a full post where they address this. So that is basically all the information you need to know as regarding to getting KYC on B network and also getting KYC from Ruby. So make sure to like this video, share if you've learned something, share this video. That is the only way it gets to tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is helpful and it gets to more people. And drop a comment, even if it's high, just say anything in the comment section. If you still have a question, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be there to respond to you.